got everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Thank you for summing that up.
Come on. No, Hiccup.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
In the ring.
Thanks.
Your mother would have wanted you to have it. It's half of her breastplate.
It's okay.
Jimmons, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
You need to stop all this.
What, you just pointed to all of me.
That's for scaring me.
What? Was it always going to be this way? Because I could get used to it.
Yes, I can't wait. I am so leaving. We're leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.